Allah, call him nature, call him the power that made you to be, call him Yahweh. Power that made you be. Whether you're an atheist or a believer, that's the power of your God. He listens to the silence of your prayer, to the silence of your soul. Whether you acknowledge it or not, the power that made you be. Call him God, call him Allah, call him Jehovah, call him nature, call him the power that made you be. He listens to your prayers, to your word, to silence right in your soul. Whether you acknowledge it or not. He knows the wishes of your soul. He knows the deepest of your secret, whether you acknowledge him or not. He knows. Call him Allah, call him Jehovah, call him God of nature. He knows. Jehovah, the power that made you be.